German easily. In this video, we will be learning German pronunciations. A umlaut is ye, for example, Äpfel or medicine. Pronunciation of umlaut is yo, for example, Yol or Österreich. Pronunciation of U umlaut is U, for example, Jubel or Fünf. Pronunciation of beta, that is etc., is like S, for example, Fuss. Pronunciation of S is like Z, for example, Zono. Pronunciation of ST, if it is in the beginning, is like St, for example, Stunde. Pronunciation of ST, if it is in the middle, is like St, for example, Lustig. Pronunciation of SP, if it is in the beginning, is like Sp, for example, Sprechen. Pronunciation of CH, if it is after A, O, U or AU, is like K, for example, Buch or Knock. Pronunciation of CH, if it is after A umlaut, E, I, O umlaut, U umlaut, EI, A umlaut U, EU, Y, L, R or N, is like sh, for example, nicht or Milch. Pronunciation of IE is like long I, for example, Z or Fliegen. Pronunciation of EI is like I, for example, mein or sein. Pronunciation of IG is like ish, for example, lustig or ruhig. Pronunciation of EU or A umlaut U is like oi, for example, Deutsch or träumen. Pronunciation of J is like Y, for example, Junge. Pronunciation of V is like F, for example, Vater. I hope you got all the pronunciations. Thank you for watching the video.